Exploring stacks and queues in data structures and algorithms. Introduction. Welcome back to our Data Structures and Algorithms series. In this video, we're going to explore two essential data structures, stacks and queues. Section 1, Introduction to Stacks. Let's begin with stacks. A stack is a linear data structure that follows the last in first out, LIFO, principle. It's like a stack of plates where the last plate you place is the first one you remove. Section 2, Applications of stacks. Stacks have various practical uses. They play a crucial role in function call management, ensuring that functions return in the reverse order they were called. In web browsers, stacks are used for tracking your browsing history, allowing you to go back through visited pages. Section 3, Introduction to Queues. Now, let's delve into queues. A queue is another linear data structure, but it follows the first in first out, FIFO, principle. Think of it like waiting in line. The first person to arrive is the first to be served. Section 4, Applications of queues. Queues are widely used in both real-world and software scenarios. In computer science, they are instrumental in task scheduling, ensuring that tasks are executed in the order they were received. Print job management in printers is another example where queues are employed. Section 5, Comparing stacks and queues. Highlight differences and use cases. It's important to understand the differences between stacks and queues. Stacks are best suited for scenarios where you need to manage items in a last-in, first-out manner, while queues excel in first-in, first-out scenarios. These distinctions make each data structure invaluable in different situations. Section 6, Conclusion. To wrap up, we've explored stacks and queues, two fundamental data structures in the world of data structures and algorithms. Stacks follow the LIFO principle and find applications in function calls and browsing history. Queues, following the FIFO principle, are essential in task scheduling and print job management. Understanding when to use each data structure is key to effective problem solving. Conclusion. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of stacks and queues in data structures and algorithms. If you found this video informative and engaging, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing. Feel free to leave your questions or suggest future topics in the comments below. Stay curious, keep coding, and we'll see you in the next video.